Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable AutoMix in Apple Music on iOS 26. It's a super quick setting, but you probably wouldn't notice it unless you're digging around during playback. Let's get into it. First, open the Music app on your iPhone. Now, start playing a playlist that supports AutoMix. Usually this feature works with curated DJ mixes, electronic playlist, or some workout ones. While the music's playing, tap the Now Playing bar at the bottom to expand it. That's the three little lines with dots. You'll find it in the lower right corner. Once you're inside the Up Next queue, look at the top right corner of that screen. You're going to see the AutoMix button if the playlist supports it. If AutoMix is enabled, it's going to blend the songs together without silence. If it's off, tracks would play normally with a bit of a pause in between. To turn it off or on, just tap that AutoMix button. It'll switch instantly. You don't even got to pause the music. Keep in mind, not every playlist shows this option, so if you don't see AutoMix, it probably means that playlist doesn't support it yet.
Also, check the following steps. Go to the Settings app, then scroll to the Apps section, and navigate to the Music app settings. On this screen, scroll to Song Transitions, and now turn the toggle next to Song Transitions. So on the bottom, two options appear, AutoMix and Crossfade. Please choose AutoMix, and that's it. Now, try to use AutoMix in your Apple Music playlist. Also, make sure you're on iOS 26, because earlier versions wouldn't have this feature at all. That's it. Super easy, right? Anyways, let me know in the comments if AutoMix makes your playlist sound better. I think it's actually pretty amazing for gym sessions or parties. See you in the next one.